Tekno RC has long been known for making some of the toughest and fastest race buggies on the market, and having built the EB410.2 in another video series, we know the quality is second to none. If you're into the 1/10th scale scene though, then this will be ideal. The EB410.2. Tekno RC set the bar in terms of build quality and easy to follow instructions, so I expect the same here. Not only have many of the updated components from the ET410 been incorporated, but several all-new elements have been included to further improve handling and durability. Now included is a front-end sway bar system along with new 15-degree low roll center spindle carriers. The suspension has been upgraded with new pistons and revised shock towers, new rear arms that allow front-mounted shocks, new adjustable roll center rear hubs, and a new taller one-piece wing mount to help improve aerodynamics and roll characteristics. As with most Tekno buggies, this is a kit version, meaning it needs building manually, after which you can add your own electronics, wheels, and so on, as well as a range of tools required for the general build, all of which we'll take a closer look at throughout the build series. So inside the box we'll find everything we need to build the rolling chassis. The way this works is we have these two larger sized bags within which we have a range of smaller bags all labelled A through P. As we work our way through each bag we build a little more of the buggy, slowly attaching built parts together, at which point we should end up with a complete rolling chassis. We have the main chassis, which is really nicely made, 3mm thick machined aluminum for lighter weight yet high strength, pre-holed with cavities built in for mounting various parts and electronics further down for a lower centre of gravity, providing higher stability when racing around corners. Finally, we have the famous fighter jet inspired body included too, which needs to be painted and cut before use, and with the typical decal sheet provided, allowing you to really customize the look of your buggy and make it truly your own. The provided instructional guide is rather detailed, showing the entire process of placing parts together, and a version is available on Tekno's site should you wish to take a look beforehand. Alongside the kit bags, we are also supplied the various fluids needed throughout the build for both the shocks and differentials, as well as some threadlock and black grease. The manual does highlight where these should be used, although as a general rule, you'll want to use threadlock wherever you screw metal into metal. When it comes to tools, you'll need a pretty standard set of RC tools to build the entire kit. Hex and nut drivers for instance, nothing really out of the ordinary here. Although I would definitely specifically recommend the Tekno 1115 shockshaft pliers, an incredibly useful tool no matter which RC truck or buggy you own. Along with some turnbuckle wrenches, specifically recommended is the Tekno 1103 wrench, which has 4 and 5mm ends, and the Tekno 1119, which has 5.5 and 7mm ends. Finally, a hobby knife and needle nose pliers come in very handy too. As stated, all the fluids you'll need are included within the package, everything except O-ring grease that is, so we'll need some of that too. And that should cover us when it comes to everything we need to build the entire kit. All in all, everything looks really high quality here, from initial inspection anyway. We'll take a more detailed look at the contents of each bag as we proceed through the build. Talking of the build, we'll be covering the entire process in some detail, so remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video with Bag A, the center differential.